In today's video, I want to show you how you can pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp. Alright, you can see I have 4 pinned chats, which is impossible. Let me try to add one. Oh, no, it's not possible. Okay, I will unpin this one. Oh no. Okay, let me unpin this one. So you will see how the trick is going to work right now. If I want to pin it back, it's not going to work. I can only pin up to 3. In this case, you select the pin chart, one of the pin charts. Then you see this archive right here. You have to click this archive, immediately select one of the charts you want to pin, and then undo the archive. In this case, this WhatsApp will allow you to pin 4 charts, while the server still think you have 3 charts pinned. Let's perform the action. I will achieve it, then select. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake. So let me do it. Usually, you must make this mistake at the very first time, but not me, because I do this all the time. So okay, let me pin it again. Alright, you watch, see how it goes. I want to archive it, then select one of the chart, pin it, and then undo. You see, I have 4 pin charts right now, which is impossible to add more. Okay, I will repeat. I will pin this and then select one of the pin charts, this one. I click archive and then select this one, pin, and undo the archive before pin chart. You see already, you can see it's still easy. Okay, let me try again. I'll pin it again, then I select any one of these, archive it, then select this pin. Oh, you see how I missed it? Okay, let's go back, then archive, pin, and undo. You got it. This is all, bro. Try hard, you keep trying it, and then you succeed. Because I know a lot of you will say, I can't do it, it did not work for me. It did not work for me. I know, just do it the way I do. I just played with it because I knew a lot of apprentices who want to say something in the comment, like doubting me, or maybe I add a trick. No, it's not trick, it's physical. The way I played with it, before you do it up to twice, you'll be used to it. It's so simple, guys. Thank you for watching.